Ayan, gagawa ko ng banana carrot cake. I put 4 egg and 3 spoon oil, 1 cup of flour, and little bit half teaspoon salt. Wala po siyang sugar kasi matamis na yung carrot tsaka banana. Ayan, mix well. Banana carrot cake. Ayan, i-oven ko na. Banana carrots cake. Ayan, ayan, luto na. Medyo nasunog yung itaas. Tanggalin na lang. Ang sarap niya, guys. Masarap. Banana carrot cake. Ang sarap niya.